All right, Trading Card Club live Tuesday, January 26th for our 6 o'clock Mountain Standard Time break. We've got 6 hangers and 7 cellos of NBA Hoops premium stock. Just going to give it a few minutes before we get started. We'll get started about 2 minutes after. Again, this is the 6 o'clock Mountain Standard Time break with 6 hangers and 7 cellos of NBA Hoops premium stock. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get it started. We will start with the cellos and end with the hangers. Good luck, everybody. Let's get it going. Get these packs out first. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck all. Let's get it going. Russell, Matthews, Love, Cantor, Jordan, Green, Brisdakis, Caldwell Pope, Larry Bird Tribute, Silver Rudy Gobert, Green Russ Westbrook, and a NBA Hoops Jarrett Culver. Dinwiddie, Tucker, Markkanen, Van Fleet, Fultz, Ariza, Monk, Windler, Terrence Davis, silver Max Kleber, green Klay Thompson, and a backstage pass, Russ Westbrook. Kuzma, Murray, Bazemore, Collins, Hart, Murray, McKinney, Cabangele, and a Zion. Nice hit right there for the Pellies. There you go, Randy C. Followed by a silver Jason Tatum. Nice one there for the Celts. There you go, Brian. Blake Griffin, green. And a silver Oladipo NBA City. Nice one there for the Pacers. There you go, Nick. That was a nice pack right there. Porter, Hayward, Paul, Johnson, Okogie, Giles, Dort, Basley, Rui, Tribute. Nice one there for Washington. There you go, Nick. Silver, Aaron Gordon. DeMar DeRozan, green. And a We Got Next, Tyler Hero. Nice one there for the Heat. There you go, Mark. Valentine, James, Powell, Leonard, Grant, McCollum, Brasdakis, Caldwell Pope, Kobe White Tribute. Nice one there for the Bulls. Go Nick, couple good hits there for you. Christian Wood, silver. Bam Adebayo, green. And a NBA Hoops We Got Next, Cam Johnson. Nice one there for the Suns. There you go, Brian. Crux, Holiday, Lopez, Randall, Gasol, Ferguson, Rui, Melly, Dedman, Silver Bazemore, Isaiah Roby, green, and a courtside Luka. Collins, Thompson, Williams, Teague, DeRozan, Westbrook, Bol. Nice one there for Denver. Quinn Cook, Kevin Porter Jr., Silver Brunson, green Chris Dunn, and a courtside Steph Curry. Couple of the bonus packs. Let's see what we get. Jackson, Leonard, and a J.R. Smith. Jokic, Schroeder, and another Quinn Cook. Iguodala, Favors, and a Duncan Robinson. Iguodala, Redick, and a Kevin Porter Jr. Nice one there for Cleveland. Crux, Green, and Smelagic. Jokic, Schroeder, and another Kevin Porter Jr. Bam Adebayo, Anthony, and a Brazdakis. Let's get into the hangers. Nance, Kleber, Harris, Sabonis, Harris, Anthony, Hernan Gomez, Randall, Weatherspoon, Rondo, Admiral Schofield, McKinney, Cabangele, and a silver Luka. Nice hit for Dallas. There you go, Nick. Green, Danny Green. Steph Curry Disco. Nice one there for Golden State. Crux, Holiday, and Lopez. And a class of 2019 Zion Williamson. There we go. Couple of Zion sightings. Galloway, Harris, Bertans, Porter, Zubac, Jackson, Ilyasova, Heald, Tinkatina, Bol, Quinn Cook, Kevin Porter, Duncan Robinson, Silver Caldwell Pope. Nice one there for the Lakers. There you go, Tyler. Green Hernan Gomez, Disco Windler, Disco Terrence Davis. Nice one there for Toronto. Dort, and a Julius Irving Disco. Frequent flyer, KD. Nice one there for Brooklyn. Nick's getting some nice hits in this one. Griffin, Irving, Deladova, Bradley, Cantor, Jordan, Green, Morris, Bryant, Martin, Ja Morant base. Here we go. There you go, Randy. Got the Zion and the Ja. Badazzi, Garland, silver Kawhi Leonard. It's a nice one there for the Clippers. There you go, Mike. Bruno Fernando wave. Nice one there for Atlanta. Jabari Parker, disco. Bridges, Cat, and Roberson. Lights, camera, action, PG. Paul, Levine, Harrell, Luca, Bridges, Cat, Roberson, Wall, Horford, Clark, Reed, PJ Washington, Terrence Mann, silver Zach Levine, green Carson Edwards, Disco Love, Anthony Davis disco. That's a nice one there for the Lakers. Jokic, Caruso, and a frequent flyer, Gordon. Henson, Curry, Crooks, Holiday, Embiid, Bledsoe, Leonard, Ingram, McKinney, Kabengele, and another base Zion. Here we go. Alexander Walker, Kendrick Nunn, and a silver Gordon. Kelly Olynyk, green. Disco Porzingis, Olynyk, Kennard, and Dinwiddie. With a Derek Jones Jr. Get out the way. Alrighty, last box of the break here. And then we'll go over the hits. Powell, Huerter, Durant, Walker, Oubre, Rose, Aldridge, Baines, Mitchell, Basley, Hayes, Claxton, Covington, silver Julius Randle. It's a nice one there. For the Knicks. There you go, Matt. Paul Millsap, Disco Ingram, Vucevic, Carter, and Damian Lillard. And last, a lights, camera, action, Bradley Beal. Alrighty, give me just a second here to gather up the hits. All right, green Carson Edwards. Disco Davis. Silver Kawhi. Base Ja. Green Roby. Kevin Porter Laser. Courtside Silver Curry. Courtside Luka. Base Zion. Disco Curry. Class of 2019 Zion. Terrence Davis Disco. Frequent Flyer Durant. We got next Cam Johnson. Jarrett Culver. NBA Hoops Tribute Kobe White. We got next Tyler Hero. Another base Zion. Silver Tatum. And a silver Luka. Alrighty, everybody. As always, we appreciate you joining the breaks. Our next break will be going live at 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. We appreciate you guys joining this one. We hope you guys can join the next one. Hope everybody has a good night. Thank you, and have another good night.